Hello everyone, welcome back to Play Acoustic. Hope you are doing well. And thank you for follow my channel and subscribe my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to play somebody that I used to know from Gotye. I'm gonna show you all lessons from finger picking to chords. And if you are ready, I am ready too, and let's get started. Okay then, now I'm gonna show you which chords we will use for this song. It's actually so easy. And first of all, the capo will be in the 5th fret, and the first chord is E minor. Second one is G, and the last one is, for the chorus part, F. Okay, and then start with E minor. And when E minor, open A, strum, again open A, and then go to G. Once again. From scratch. And when you go to G, in the 3rd fret of A, and strum, and again 3rd fret of E, and mix together. Okay. A little bit slower. And all songs going with this. And for the chorus part, after the G, go to F. And 1st fret of E and strum, and again, okay, and go to C. It's like this. It's so easy from scratch altogether. Okay, you see, it's so easy. And the melody also, it's so easy. Start with open G, twice, third fret of B, twice again, and open A, first fret of A, third fret of A, B, A, sorry. Okay, so far. And first fret of okay. Open G, third fret of B, open A, and then go to first fret of B, and open B twice, and second fret of G, and open G. So far. Slower. And the second part, start same again. And go to second fret of G and slide the fourth fret and second fret again, like this. All together from scratch. And the second melody is start with the second fret of G, open A, third fret of A, and open A again, and third fret of B, and second fret of G again. So far. Maybe a little bit slower. That's it. Okay, we finished that lesson too. Hope you will enjoy this video, and after watching, as I said all the time, don't forget to subscribe my channel and please like button, and please, I need your help, and you can write a comment down there and check out my other videos, my other lessons, there will be more videos very soon, and every Friday I will organize a new video and publish to YouTube. And I need your support, and thank you for watching this video, and see you on the next video. Bye then.